Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign up or link on LinkedIn using Google or Apple ID easy method. First, open the LinkedIn app on your iPhone and tap join now. Next, choose to continue with Google or Apple. Next, choose to continue with Google or Apple and then approve the sign up using Face ID or Google account prompt. Add your name, location, and job title. LinkedIn will autofill most information from your account. Confirm your email if prompted, and you're in. Privacy tip: if you use Apple ID, choose hide my email to keep your real address private. And then quick fix: if sign up fails, make sure you're signed into your Google or Apple ID on your iPhone. Restart the app and try again from Safari, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick